Viewers, our top focus for the day continues to be the tragedy, that is the fire that in fact has engulfed the very club that we've been bringing to you since morning in Goa. Mega India Today exclusive now. Within that very story, it is Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant who speaks to India Today. Goa Chief Minister on the nightclub Inferno that killed 25, that's the death toll currently. Chief Minister has said have ordered an inquiry on the incident. Inquiry report will reveal the truth. Have ordered an audit in all clubs across Goa. This is what we are learning from the Chief Minister at this point. This is a mega exclusive that we are bringing to you. The first reaction of the Chief Minister to India Today on this very tragic fire that engulfed this club in Goa and has claimed 25 lives according to the reports so far. We will in fact bring to you that excerpt of the conversation with India Today of Chief Minister Pramod Sawant. Listen in to what he had to say. But before that, let us tell you it is a tragic fire that had engulfed this very club, the visuals of which we have been bringing to you on our channel since morning. A fire at Birch by Romeo Lane nightclub in Arpora. It's in North Goa that's killed 25 people and injured around 50 others. And this took place shortly after midnight of December 7th itself. And it was during the routine closing operations. There was in fact a performance underway at the very club when the music abruptly stopped as smoke could be seen rising from the kitchen side, and the blaze in fact started somewhere around 12:45 to 1 a.m. is what we are learning from reports so far. This is from the basement kitchen area from where the smoke could be seen. It's being said now from the preliminary reports that it's because of a cylinder explosion that spread rapidly then to the upper floors, with the thick smoke in fact causing most of the deaths from suffocation within that very area where the performance was taking place and people were watching it. Now, few victims have even died from burns is what we are learning. Emergency responders rushed to the spot, controlled the fire after hours, recovering all the bodies, and then they were sent to Goa Medical College in Bambolim. It is Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant initially who had called it a black day for the tourism state. He has ordered a probe into the fire safety violations with strict action being promised against the negligent management, and has even said that the people managing the very clubs shall be arrested after an FIR. But when he spoke to India Today, he has said that he's ordered an inquiry on the incident. The inquiry report will be revealing the truth behind this very tragedy. What exactly caused it? Was there any sort of negligence on the management's part? All of this has been revealed in a conversation with the Chief Minister. Let's quickly listen into what he had to say.
And we're now being joined by Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant on the massive fire tragedy in which 25 people have lost their lives. Sir, you yourself visited the incident spot, the nightclub Birch by Romeo Lane. What did you witness, and what were the lapses, and what was the exact cause of this massive inferno?
मैं कल रात 2 बजे वहाँ पे खुद पहुँचा. मैंने खुद वहाँ पे देखा. यानी जो लैप्सेस है उसके लिए वी हैव ऑलरेडी मजिस्ट्रेट इंक्वायरी करने के लिए कहा है, और द रेस्ट ऑल द पुलिस हैव अरेस्टेड द जनरल मैनेजर ऑफ दैट एंड 2-3 पीपल ऑफ दैट क्लब. वी आर फाइलिंग द एफआईआर अगेंस्ट द क्लब ओनर आल्सो. द 25 डेथ वहाँ पे हो चुके हैं. 6 लोग एडमिटेड इन द गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज. उनकी ट्रीटमेंट अच्छी तरह से हो रही है. हमारी तरफ से हैंडस्पोर्ट इस तरह का इंसिडेंट न हो, इसके पूरी प्रिकॉशंस हमारी सरकार की तरफ से ले जाएंगे.
जी सर, काफी सवाल उठ रहे हैं सेफ्टी ऑडिट पे. क्या सेफ्टी ऑडिट रेगुलरली कंडक्ट किया गया था? क्या लास्ट सेफ्टी ऑडिट हुआ था?
जब मजिस्ट्रेट रिपोर्ट हाथ में आ जाएगा तभी उसके बाद करना ठीक रहेगा. एट प्रेजेंट तो मजिस्ट्रेट इंक्वायरी का रिपोर्ट 1-2 दिन में कल तक मिलेगा. उसके बाद में इसके ऊपर बात करना उचित रहेगा.
सर, ये भी जानकारी मिल रही है कि प्रॉपर वेंटिलेशन नहीं थी, जिसकी वजह से सफोकेशन की वजह से इतने लोगों की मौत हुई. एस्केप रूट्स भी मार्क नहीं थे.
प्रिलिमिनरी वैसा ही लग रहा है कि वेंटिलेशन के वजह से वेंटिलेशन नहीं था, इसलिए सफोकेशन वजह से हुआ है. लेकिन जो कुछ है उनके खिलाफ जो तरह कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए वो हमारी सरकार की तरफ से हम करेंगे.
सरकार और क्या कदम उठा रही है जिससे कि ऐसे और इंसिडेंट्स फ्यूचर में ना हो?
हाई लेवल कमेटी की मीटिंग मैंने रखी है और इस तरह के जो इंसिडेंट्स न होने के लिए हम सेफ्टी ऑडिट करेंगे और जिनके पास फायर सेफ्टी सर्टिफिकेट नहीं है इनके रेस्टोरेंट और क्लब्स बंद रहेंगे।
सर, ये एक काफ़ी बड़ा नाइट क्लब था जहाँ पे ये पूरी घटना हुई है। बर्च बाय रोमियो लेन काफ़ी बड़ा नाइट क्लब, काफ़ी पॉपुलर नाइट क्लब है। अगर वहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है तो गोवा में जाने कितने नाइट क्लब्स हैं, कई छोटे लेवल के भी नाइट क्लब्स हैं, तो काफ़ी सवाल सबके मन में अब उठ रहे हैं।
नहीं, ईच एंड एवरी नाइट क्लब हो या रेस्टोरेंट हो उनके लिए एनओसी, सेफ्टी एनओसी लेना और फायर एनओसी लेना कंपलसरी है। लेकिन जिन किसी ने समझो नहीं लिया है तो उनके नाइट क्लब्स और सेफ्टी ऑडिट होने के बाद बंद रहेंगे।
क्या कोई सख्त नए लॉज भी बनाए जाएंगे इस पूरे चीज को इंश्योर करने के लिए?
हेंसफोर्थ इस तरह के कोई नाइट क्लब हो या इस तरह के प्लेसेस हम विदाउट फायर एनओसी चलाने के लिए नहीं देंगे।
सर, हमें जानकारी मिल रही है कि ओनर और जनरल मैनेजर को अरेस्ट कर लिया गया है। क्या एक्शन लिया जाएगा एंड हाउ विल यू इंश्योर जस्टिस?
इनके जनरल मैनेजर और बाकी लोगों को अरेस्ट किया है, उनके ओनर को भी हम अरेस्ट करेंगे और इनके खिलाफ सख्त एक सेफ्टी नॉर्म्स हम जो फॉलो नहीं किया तो सब कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
सर, एक आखिरी सवाल, क्योंकि हॉलिडे सीजन आने वाला है, पीक सीजन होता है गोवा टूरिज्म के लिए, आपको क्या लगता है कि इस पूरे इंसिडेंट से काफी हैम्पर हो सकती है वो इमेज, तो आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
मैं बस इतना कहना चाहूंगा कि सभी सेफ्टी ऑडिट करके जिसके पास फायर एनओसी नहीं है उसके क्लब्स हम बंद रखेंगे और अदरवाइज रेस्टोरेंट जो सेफ्टी ऑडिट करके जिनके पास एनओसी है वो खुले रहेंगे। इसलिए कोई यानी मेजर प्रिकॉशन सरकार की तरफ से लिया जाएगा।
So viewers, you heard what the Chief Minister had to say on this very matter, the tragedy that's come about in this extremely popular nightclub. In fact, as we speak, it's Birch by Romeo Lane, quite a well-known nightclub which has in fact been now, it has become the center of this very tragedy of an inferno that completely engulfed the entire place, killing 25. Now the word from the Chief Minister is one of caution, of course, and a warning to all the nightclubs which are not following fire safety rules in place, because remember, from the preliminary reports, what is being understood is that most of the deaths occurred due to ventilation issues, that is from suffocation from the smoke that arose from the very kitchen area. Again, the kitchen area is in the basement, and these very floors that the fire later on spread to were in the upper levels where the performances and people in fact do come and visit. So yes, that's a big question with regards to why were there no fire exits marked for the people to escape the very situation, and why did they have to wait till the emergency responders had rushed to the place to in fact control the very fire that broke out there. So these are questions that's being asked. The Chief Minister has said that has given a stern warning, of course, but has also assured strict action, a complete exhaustive probe into the matter. But more importantly, there's also a message that's coming from the Chief Minister of Goa at this point, assuring all those tourists, because remember, this is a celebratory time for people across the country, not just people across the country. Goa is a tourist spot which in fact attracts tourists from across the world. So yes, being a tourism hub for India, the Chief Minister has come out to say that he will take every action that is possible on the part of the government to ensure that all rules are followed. Those nightclubs, those restaurants that do not have these safety measures in place, they will be in fact locked down till they have these measures implemented. These are words coming in, words of assurances coming in from the Chief Minister that all action is being taken by the government at this given point, both on the front of probing this entire incident and also to ensure that such incidents, such tragic accidents do not take place in any other nightclubs. As my colleague was also mentioning, this particular nightclub is a well-known one, but then Goa has several such restaurants, several such nightclubs whose safety measures need to be checked, given that this is the particular area that in fact has a lot of footfall during this season. This very region, Goa in itself, has a lot of footfall, and these clubs indeed have a lot of footfall during this season.